What's up, boss? In this video, ato'y bike check karon ang AGENTX Rampage 1x10 speed SHIMANO DEORE component. Let's go. Hello, boss. This is me, Boss Lance from Osting Bikes, and welcome sa atong first video or bike check video sa Osting Bikes channel nato. Okay? So karon atong first bike nga atong gipa bike check, which is AGENTX Rampage. Daha magklase nga AGENTX, no? If you're familiar, natay AGENTX Evolution, natay AGENTX Ultimax, which is 1x10 pud siya, and nasa tay AGENTX Air Force, which is budget bike pod nga hydraulic. But karon ang atong unang gipa bike check is AGENTX Rampage. So ana tan-awa ni kani nga video para makaibaw ka ang unsa ang iyang specifications and design sa atong bagong naabot nga AGENTX Rampage. So let's go. Ang iyang frame, which is 𝘍𝙬𝙤𝙦 aluminum alloy, which is tapered na po siya, boss, and internal cabling na po siya. Ang iyang mga sizes po sa frame, which is natay 17 inches, which is medium frame, and of course nasay 15.5 inches nga small frame. Karon ang hydraulic brakes, which is TEKTRO hydraulic brakes, which is made in Taiwan, and so far ang TEKTRO is dugay na po kayo siya since 1986. Ang iyang crankset, which is AGENTX Halotech, and then the fork is magnesium alloy with lockout. Ang tires pod is natin 27.5 and 29er. So 27.5 by 2.1. Ang iyang brand sa tires is Compass, no? So ang iyang speed is 1x10 speed. As you can see, SHIMANO DEORE na pod ang iyang set. No need na kang mag-upgrade pa, no? Depende din mo if you upgrade ka from 11 speed to 12 speed. But karon sa atong AGENTX Rampage, no, naka SHIMANO DEORE na gyud siya. Sa design, nindot kayo patented gyud niya atong mga AGENTX Rampage, and of course anti-scratch pod ang iyang paint. The colors sa atong AGENTX Rampage natay black, natay luxury gold, natay red, and the last one is purple. Okay, so manay naabot karon nga AGENTX Rampage 1x10 SHIMANO DEORE components. We will talk about the price. So AGENTX Rampage 1x10 speed is ang iyang suggested retail price is nasa 26,800. So depende na kung asa yung location, siguro na yung mga shipping fee. So ang atong suggested retail price sa AGENTX Rampage is mga siya 26,800. So that's it, our first bike check video here in Osting Bikes channel. So thank you for watching. No, if you are watching this in Facebook, don't forget to like our page, and of course if you are watching this in YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, mga boss, because we are here to provide more value and of course more bike check sa atong mga available bikes diri sa Osting Bikes, mga boss. And of course, comment down below, no, kung ganahan ba ka sa design, kung sa imong mastorya sa atong AGENTX Rampage yung 1x10 speed, o nindot ba and quality ba gyud siya, tanaw nimo. So don't forget to comment down below, and see you in our next bike check videos sa atong channel, mga boss. So let's go!